Yo, what's going on, everybody? TJ here, and welcome back to my stock and options trading journey. We are now on episode 5. All right, so let's take a peek and see exactly what I got going on so far. Here is my current positions on my Real Money Live account. Always going to be doing real money, no fake paper money. However, I do recommend when you start trading to start trading on paper money. Always get your strategies down first with fake money. See how those play out, see exactly what you're doing, because it will make a huge difference for when you actually start to trade with real money. Really, use paper money, use the fake account. Just practice. It's just practice. Once you get it down, you're ready to go. All right, let's go back to what we're actually doing here. So I'm in the USO, United States Oil, right? We got 2 green boxes on my software. I'm using Interactive Trader. That showed me that we have technical analysis on a green going up, and big money inner circle is also going back in on gas. So I've got a long call on that. It's going to expire in 71 days. I've been holding this one for a while. I think from the very first episode, I've actually been holding this. But we are almost in profit margin. Look at, we're only negative $3 now. This is really, really, really close to being in profit, but I'm going to keep on holding it and see what we end up pulling that one out with. Verizon. Oh no, I'm sorry. Visa. Visa. This is Visa stock. So Visa is, look how bad that looks. But in reality, what do we got? An Iron Condor. I love Iron Condor. It is such an amazing strategy. It's like, as long as the stock doesn't break up on this point and doesn't go lower than this point, you make money, but twice. It's so wonderful of a trade. So I've got an Iron Condor on Visa, because we can see that it keeps bumping this line here. Let's see. Close. $200.48. So about $200 is where the resistance level is. And then let's see down here, opened at 187. So we have support at 187 and resistance at $200. So that's what I keep doing here. 187.50 is where I've been making my bottom trade, and 200 is where I've been making the top. To be honest with you guys, I should probably really do 185. I'm kind of pushing my luck a little bit with the 50 cents, but I mean, it's not like the biggest of a deal. But I mean, like, if I expired like on this day, like, it really wouldn't have been in my favor. So if I continue to do Iron Condors on Visa, I'm definitely going to do the 187, not the 87.5. Oh, actually, no. I know why. I know why. It's because the strikes that are available, I can only do 187.5, and the next one down is 185, which is way too low. And that is why I'm doing it and risking that 50-cent little margin right there. So I'm comfortable with it. I think that it's going to be a-okay. So I have a trade on Visa that's going to be expiring tomorrow. And I also, let's see my positions, have a second Iron Condor on Visa that I just placed today, which will expire in 8 days. So as you can see right now, as long as by tomorrow it stays within my Iron Condor, we'll be good to go. And then 8 days later, as long as it still is in this Iron Condor, we'll still be good to go. And I'll be showing you guys exactly how that plays out. All right, GoPro, doing cover calls. This one expires tomorrow. I'm going to show you exactly what happens with that. As long as it doesn't reach $6.50. Look at, I keep having to bump it up. So that means that GoPro is going up, which it is, because you can see that I'm up $70.50 on my actual stock position. As long as it doesn't hit $6.50, I'm going to get full credit. Right now we're at $5.58. So as long as it doesn't jump up $1 by tomorrow, which I really, really highly doubt, since today's change was down 2 cents. We're moving like within a few cents. I'll be keeping the full credit. And then I'm going to be doing another cover call and just keep chipping away, Pepsi, we have another Iron Condor on Pepsi, as you've seen in my last video, and the one before that, I keep doing Iron Condors on Pepsi. and it just keeps on going sideways. So why not, right? I love this Iron Condor strategy. Just draw a resistance level and a support level if you see the sideways pattern, and then you can make a trade from the top and a trade from the bottom and make double the money because you are in technically 2 trades for it not to really move too much. So cool. What else do we got going on over here? Scrolling down. All right, the SPY, the S&P 500. Love playing indices. Love this bull trend that we have been on since March 23rd. Ever since March 23rd, we've just been on a bull trend. So I keep doing bull puts. As you can see, if you did see the last video, this was the ascending triangle. We broke out. I actually went in on a trade for the 319 strike, and that's going to expire tomorrow. So as long as this doesn't shoot down past 319 by tomorrow, which, let's be real, so unlikely for it to actually do that. Possible, but so unlikely. So I'll be making full profit on that, and I'll show you guys what the result is there. And today I made another bull put for the 323 strike. All right, and that is my positions so far. So I'll come back when we expire and show you guys exactly how these trades did. All right, welcome back, everybody. Let's see exactly how these trades ended up playing out. So I had a Iron Condor on Visa that was expiring the day after those last clips. So that was, what month is it? August 6th. And now this was from the August 7th expiration. So as you can see here, I made $225 on the Iron Condor on Visa. I love Iron Condors. It's such an awesome strategy. Here was the cover call on GoPro. Remember, I'm chipping away at GoPro. It was extremely volatile, so I got really lucky and did a 3-day long trade and made $18 on that. Usually you're not going to get that high of a return on only 3 days with a cover call, especially on something so low, but it was extremely volatile and I got a really good deal out of that one. So $18 profit on that one. I also had a bull put on the SPY expire the next day for $15. That was a 3-day long trade. And then I had some longer trades. Here was an 8-day trade. This all expired yesterday. Today is August 15th. So a Iron Condor, I ended up making $154 on that. I'm going to come back to that though. I had another Iron Condor on Visa. So I had 2 Iron Condors going. One was the short term, one was the longer term. Made $201 on that one. Another bull put on the SPY. Remember, we had 2 bull puts on that. $60 profit on that. Bull put on IWM, the Russell 2000, which is very, very similar to the SPY. $48 profit on that one. And then I ended up doing another cover call on GoPro for 4 days long. Got $3 out of that. Okay, so here is my chart where I'm keeping track of everything that I'm doing in the stock market. I did subtract everything. Let's see. E40. Is this the E40? Yes. Okay, so far I've spent $4.86 per share of GoPro. Bought 100 shares, paid $486 by doing these cover calls. We are now at $428 that I spent. So from $486 to really $428. Gonna keep chipping this away. Gonna make these free. All right, wanted to show you guys that. Also wanted to show you the Pepsi because this was really, really risky. Freaked me out a little bit here. So as you can see, Pepsi stayed up here. The expiration was at 138, and you can see yesterday it actually closed at 138.10. $138.10. So I was actually through one of my strikes in between the 2 strikes, and that was not a good position to be literally 1 day ago. Thank goodness it actually cut back down and closed yesterday on Friday at 137.47, which was in between both of the top and the bottom trades for my Iron Condor. So luckily I was able to get full credit for that trade, but if it had closed one day earlier, then I would have ended up losing money on that trade. I'm not going to play Pepsi again until it gets to like somewhere in the middle here, because look at it. It's like it might break through. It might break through this resistance line. So it's testing it over and over again. So we'll see if it breaks through. If it comes back down, then we're going to do more Iron Condors on Pepsi. But for the time being, that was a little too close for comfort. Okay. So let's see what I'm actually at overall here. Go to my journal. So I already did the math, and I can tell you guys that on all these trades that I just listed, I made $724 profit. Thank goodness for that. I'm so thankful that I'm actually making money here. My first two trades, as you know, if you end up watching all these episodes, I keep talking about my first two trades. I got slammed, lost like $500 something. And then ever since then, I went to my class. I talked to a mentor. I did a lot. I literally listened to my class over and over and over again, and I have not lost a trade since. So I've made 30 trades so far. My first two I lost. The next 28 that I've made have been successful trades. I've literally had a 28 win streak since those first two trades. My win ratio is 93.33%. Of my trades I win. And let's check out some insight. My total profit overall, so far I've made $1,639, but my actual PL, my profit loss, subtracting the losses, I made $1,041. So officially have broke the $1,000 profit mark. Really, really stoked, really happy about that. I've got some other trades that I'm in right now. Let's see. Still in USO. This is a nice slow burner here. Going to do more Iron Condors, or I'm sorry, a couple calls to GoPro. Got a trade on SPY. Got a new Iron Condor. Another one for IWM. This is all going to be explained in the next episode, episode 6. So keep an eye out for that. All right. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, if it was at least informational or at a minimum entertaining to you, please give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. It really does help. If you want to see more of my stock and option trade journey, as well as other entrepreneur ventures, as well as travel, because right now we're in Florida, but we leave tomorrow. Tori and I are actually, when I'm done this video, going to the beach so we can look at other countries that we want to visit. So we're going to be hitting other countries now, leaving America, going to the other countries. So keep an eye out for travel videos along that line. If you want to see all that kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified on the next video. I'm going to be going over the rest of these trades in the next one, as well as my other entrepreneurial ventures to help you guys and also to document my journey. So I will catch you guys on the next one. Later.